What is your most valuable personal resource? Do you know? Take a guess. Many of you think it's your practice, your clinic. Some of you will think it's your house, your investment properties, or investment account. But what most financial professionals are failing to address with their clients is income protection. Without an income or the ability to earn an income, all your valuables will most likely disappear, fade away, or be lost to liabilities and debt. Disabilities have destroyed partnerships, practices. They put your patient's well-being at risk. More importantly, it affects your family, your lifestyle. So why is this not a priority topic with financial professionals? Here are the 3 main reasons why I think they're not more adamant about income protection. Number 1, not all financial professionals offer or are licensed to offer the financial instruments necessary to design an income protection plan. There's no such thing as one size fits all when it comes to protecting your income. You have your own talents, education, experience, health concerns, and it all must be addressed and considered when designing a plan. Which brings me to number 2. Some doctors already have some health concerns, and some advisors don't know how to properly address these issues with the insurance companies and the underwriters. You see, independent agents understand the underwriting guidelines of the different insurance companies and can direct you to the right policy for your individual needs. And number 3, designing a disability income insurance plan takes time and knowledge, and sometimes it involves thinking outside the box. It requires an agent that understands the definitions of your policy that will determine how, when, or if you're eligible to receive benefits. That's why they call me the Disability Income Insurance Queen. You see, my mother became disabled at the age of 50. I understand how disability can affect families and a financial plan, even those put together by the most elite group of professionals. And it's the reason why I'm so passionate about protecting your family and ensuring your income.